Hi guys, I've got a quick video today on how to fill and light a Zippo hand warmer. Okay, so what you need to do first, the things you'll need obviously is the filling cup, a lighter, any type of lighter fluid, preferably official Zippo, and your hand warmer. So the first thing you need to do is take the cap off. Then you've got your catalytic converter, which you need to take off. And you've got your cotton inside there. Move these over to the side. You get your filling cup. Open your fuel. Depending on how long you want it to burn, you've got a half line that's approximately 6 hours, and the very top line, which is approximately 12 hours. I just fill it at 6 all the time. Right, so let's do that. Try to do this without spilling any. Fail. Right, that's filled up to the 6 hour mark. And then when you're filling it up, I like to get a tissue and just like put it around it, just in case you spill any and it don't go all over you. Right, so once you've done that, just put the spout into one of the holes and just start pouring the fuel in carefully. Not too fast because it might all overflow, which won't be very good. Keep switching between different holes so it's spread out. Ooh, yeah, there you go, it overflowed a bit then. Last bit. That's it. And then wipe off any excess that you might have spilt, so it doesn't just burst into flames when you light it, because it won't be good, obviously. Then you put your converter back on, and you just get your lighter. Let me turn this up a bit. I don't have a Zippo lighter, unfortunately. Right, just light your lighter and then just hold it over these. You can see like the squares with the felt kind of material inside. Just hold the flame over them 5 seconds on each side. There you can see they've got them on both sides. Just do that for 5 seconds on each side. Right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, if it's done properly, if you just hold it near your finger, you should be able to feel some heat emitting off that, and you should, if it's worked, very faintly be able to see an orange glow. Let me see if I can. Come on, you crappy light. There we go. Do it a bit longer this time. Yeah, I think that's lit now. Can you see it in there? I think it might be lit, I can't tell. Normally it lights first time, but Maybe it just doesn't want to light today. Yeah, I think that's definitely lit now. Yeah, for sure. There, can you see the orange glow very faintly? In those first left and middle windows, you can see it. Yep, so if you've had a good look at that, then on the other side, see it glowing. Right, and then once you've done that, just put your cap back on, get your pouch, slip it in, pull it, slide it, there you go. There's your lit and filled Zippo hand warmer. Thanks for watching this, guys. I'll probably have a review of this up shortly, so thanks for watching.